In this question, four different statements are given. We have to choose the correct statement from the options. In the first statement, it says that the dipole moment of NF3 is greater than that of NH3. Let's draw the structure of NH3 and NF3. From this diagram, it is clear, in case of ammonia, nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen and the dipole moments are in same direction. So the overall dipole moment will be in upward direction in case of ammonia molecule. But in case of NF3 or nitrogen trifluoride, the dipole moments are moving in upward direction, also in downward direction, because fluorine is more electronegative than nitrogen. So here the overall dipole moment will be higher in case of NH3 than that of NF3. Even fluorine is more electronegative than other elements. So the first statement is the incorrect one. In the second statement, it says that the three canonical forms can be drawn for CO3 2- ion or carbonate ion. In case of carbonate ions, we can draw three different forms as shown here. So the second statement is the correct one. In the third statement, it says three resonance structures can be drawn for ozone. This is a wrong statement because in case of ozone, we can draw only two resonance structures as given in this diagram. The last statement says that BF3 has non-zero dipole moment. BF3 is a trigonal planar molecule and fluorine is more electronegative than boron. So here the electron density is moving from boron to fluorine and they all are in symmetric arrangement. So we can say the overall dipole moment will be 0. So this is a non-polar molecule. Hence option D is also an incorrect statement. So the correct statement is option B. So that is the correct answer.